Well, Stocklabs did it again. So, welcome back. This is just a little review of the oversold signal that we got in July, in the third week of July. I think it was the 19th. Wait a minute. 6 month. Okay. Yeah, July 19th. So, the market had traded pretty poorly the days leading up to this oversold signal, and then this was sort of a capitulation day that Stocklabs picked out, and it marked the bottom for that little mini sell-off, and then we rallied straight up from there. We got about, let me check. Oh, not live floor. Algo 6 month. Okay, so here you see hybrid, 6 month hybrid. That's the signal that we're using primarily because it has the best data points so far, like I've talked about before in some of the recaps. And let's see, SPY was 424.44. And then today, our 10-day cycle closed 437.36. So plus, let's see, 10, 13. So this is like 3%, give or take, maybe a little more, maybe. And at the very high of the rally, which actually came just 5 days into the cycle, 440.80. So that's probably closer to 4%, not quite 4%. So nice rally. If you took longs on this oversold signal, you did pretty well right away. And then depending on um, what holdings you had, I mean, maybe it got a little choppy in the second half, but it's chopping around at near the highs, so no big deal. Um, I'll just go to overbought, oversold 6 month, and on the hybrid side. So this signal is now 6-0 in the last 12 months, and really, it's 6-0 after 3 days. So if you get this signal, the sell-off is not going to last more than maybe another day or two. So even one-day returns on average are positive, with two-thirds of the time being up. But by the third day, it's like you're off to the races again. So I don't know how much better of a trigger you could be looking for, but this is it right now. If you get one of these, it's just you just jump on it. So you don't even have to think about it. And yeah, the stats don't lie. So if you got caught, I'm just gonna go to SPY. And let's see. So 19th right here. Now, if you're like a chart person, like strictly chart person, this just looks like you had a big down day. So this is just open to close down. And then you have this sort of candle here. It almost looks like it's going to be a continuation, but no, Stocklabs said, we're good to go here long. And then you see it just reversed right away. We had 5 straight up days and then 5 days sort of sideways and closed down. Today's Monday, the 2nd of August, first trading day of August. So, you know, closed along the high side of this little 5-day rally that we had. So that's over for now. A lot of us played it on the long side. Some people decided to short here and, played out as expected for them. But yeah, another win, pretty easy. And we'll be looking for the next one to hit. I will show, we did have, where was it? Some of the other time frames had flagged ahead of, so this flagged on the 19th. If we only looked at tech, this flagged on the 16th and the 19th. So I think, 16th was Friday. So you got a 12-month signal on Friday, but really the load didn't get put in until Monday, which, I mean, this flag again, it stayed at oversold on 12-month basis. but the 6-month signal only fired on the Monday. And the reason the 12-month signal again is not the primary one that we're looking at for now is because 12-month oversold on the tech side. So this now only has two readings. I mean, the stats are good, but two readings is not as good as the six that we had before. So we had five, now we have six. We had one signal here, now we have two. So as this builds out a little more, maybe you get like 4 or 5 signals in here, then this will be better to sort of, it'll be more reliable as far as what you could expect from this distribution of returns as the days go by. So yeah, pretty good. And we'll just be looking out for the next one. So another win. Good job, everybody.